Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a fusion fried rice with Italian sausage. It's a premium sweet sausage. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me which is your favorite fried rice recipe I have made. And here are my ingredients. I have 2 cups of leftover rice, cold rice, cooked rice of course, always preferred. And I have bell peppers, green and red. Just need a half green. Remove the seeds. And just dice it roughly, like that. And we can add a piece of red bell pepper for color, and also this tastes different, sweeter. And I have 1 onion, we just use half. Cut half like that. Cut one side. Peel it. And we just cut slices like this. Then dice it. I'm going to just use 2 pieces of sausage. And just remove the case, score it like that. This way it's cook easily. Okay, just remove the case, and we just crumble it like that into pieces. Wow, they're very soft. Of course, you can use spicy sausage or any other sausage you can find. Wow, smells good from the fennel. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the wok to high. Add some oil. I use avocado oil, but you can use any vegetable oil. First, we're going to cook our sausage meat. Basically, we're going to brown it. It's going to take a few minutes. After a few minutes, 3-4 minutes, you can see the sausage is getting brown. Now we add our peppers, onions. Wow, smells amazing. We'll continue to cook a few more minutes till the peppers, onions getting tender. After a few minutes, peppers, onions getting tender. Now add the rice. Wow. Smells amazing. After a few minutes, our rice is almost ready. I'll add some soy sauce. Mix. And we'll finish with some ground black pepper to your own taste. Our rice is ready. Wow, smells amazing. Can't go wrong with the sausage, peppers, onions. Now you can make your fried rice with sausage. Please try. Enjoy.
It smells great.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
OMG.
That's incredible. Wow.
So flavorful. Great taste from sausage and peppers, onions. So delicious. How can you go wrong with this, right?
Excellent.
This is a meal. And please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.